The key to getting high-quality images with AI is using good prompts. A prompt is just a description in words that tells AI what image you want. Sometimes a very basic prompt is all you need. But when you want more control over your images, you need a more detailed prompt. The great news is that even beginners can create expert prompts using free online tools. The Lexica website has thousands of searchable images. If you click on one, you'll see the exact prompt that was used to create it. You can copy a prompt, change it if you want, and use it yourself. Be aware that the same prompt will give different results using different tools. A good trick is to get AI to create a prompt based on an existing image. I can upload an image and it will give me a prompt. ChatGPT can also do this for you. With image-to-image AI, you can use an existing image with a prompt to create something new. Prompts can be written in a conversational style, or be words separated by commas. A prompt is made up of two parts: subject and style. The subject is the thing we want an image of, say a bunny or a beach. Be specific and detailed. Don't just say man. Describe the man, what he's doing and where he is. Style is a broader subject that includes several optional elements. The medium can be things like photographic, cartoon, oil painting, and so on. If you're looking for an artistic style, include the type of art, and you can even add artist names. Colors can transform your results. You can add tones and any colors you want to see. Lighting can dramatically change the overall mood and feel of your images. Composition tells AI how to frame your image and can completely change the look. A powerful way to create moods is using descriptive words like horrific, majestic, futuristic. Adding words like hyper-realistic, masterpiece, and best quality can often improve your results. From time to time, AI will give you strange results, especially with hands and limbs. Some image generators have a negative prompt option, so you can say what not to include. So let's take what we've learned and use it to write a prompt. So we start simple. A man standing looking through a window at night. Not great. Let's add some style words. We don't need an artistic style for this, but let's add some color. Now let's add some mood and lighting. And there you go. So let's summarize. Use online tools to find, create, and improve your prompts. A prompt includes the subject and style. They can be very simple, but the more detail you add, the more control you get. It usually takes several attempts to get a good result. Start simple and build up your prompt for best results. Have fun. The more you play with image AI, the easier prompt writing becomes. I hope this video has been useful. Please like and subscribe for more content.